Good morning, student. Today I am going to start a new chapter in economics that is called forms of market. In forms of market, first you have to understand the meaning of market. My dear student, you have already understand the market in the other chapter, that is another meaning, that the market is the place where goods and services are bought and sold. But in the economics, the word market refers that it is a mechanism, or you can say that it is an arrangement where the buyers and seller make a proper arrangement through making the profit. So my dear student, in economics you can say that there are two types, that the first is that perfect perfect competition. Okay, perfect competition, my dear student, in perfect competition in which the firm is price taker. Okay, firm is price taker rather than price maker. Do you understand what is the price maker and price taker? Okay, my dear student, let's see. There are different firm 1, firm 2, firm 3. Firm means factory, industry, whatever the goods and sold producing. These all firms are get together. Okay, all firms are get together to make a industry. Okay, industry. Firm 1, firm 2, 3, whatever the firms inside the market, they are producing same goods and services, whatever. So they form an industry. So industry is going to decide the price of the commodity. Okay, industry is going to decide price of the commodity. Do you understand? That is why industry is the price maker. Okay, and the firm is price taker. Whatever the price decided by industry, that the firm is going to take, and goods sold on the particular price. So it is the first part of the forms of market, my dear students. But come to the, on the basis of this condition, another, that imperfect competition. What is the meaning of imperfect competition? It is just opposite of perfect competition, in which firm is going to decide the price. Okay, so that you can say that firm is price maker. Okay, firm is price maker. Okay, in this situation, firm is price maker. Firm is not a price taker. Whatever the price of a goods and commodity, it is going to be decided by firm, not a industry. So in this situation, there are some cases. First, monopoly. What is the meaning of monopoly? Mono means single. It means single seller of a particular product and services. It means that firm is going to decide the price of the particular commodity. Yani price maker. Okay, it is a price maker, single seller of a particular goods and services. Okay, my dear student, it is very important to know that what are the other monopolistic. Monopolistic means that you write monopolistic. In this situation, firm is also a price maker, but there are many sellers. It means there are many sellers, but they are selling differentiate product. but they are selling differentiate product. Differentiate product in which you can say that they are selling different type of. So for example, if you are going to take a television, okay, Samsung, okay, LG, both company are selling television, but they have a differentiate on the basis of size, color, technology, whatever. So they have a very differentiate product, my dear student. So the monopolistic, the difference between monopoly and monopolistic is that in monopoly only one seller, that is in the market only a single seller of product. In the monopolistic there are many sellers, those who are going to provide a differentiate product. For example, I am going to take a television that Samsung, LG, another company, Sony, whatever they are producing TV, but they have a differentiate on the basis of color, on the basis of technology, size, etc. It is called differentiate product. So what are the another? The fourth one, that is the imperfect, is that the fourth one is that is in the third, you can say that third. The third is that oligopoly. What is the oligopoly, my dear student? Oligopoly. In this situation, oligopoly, in this situation, there are many sellers. But in this situation, in the market, there are 2 to 10, maximum 10 seller or producer available. Okay, there are 2 to 10 seller or producer available in the market of a particular commodity or product or services. So, for example, Coca-Cola and Pepsi. Okay, Pepsi is our Indian and Coca-Cola. Both companies are get together to supply the soft drink in the market. So, my dear student, if you are going to take the example of the soft drink, it means you have to see that they are selling a soft drink, but they have an intense competition. It means a very high competition. You can say that intense competition in oligopoly, intense competition. That intense competition means whatever the competition they have, very tough competition. Both of them are selling same type of product, but they have some differentiated, but they are selling substitute product. My dear student, what is the meaning of substitute? Substitute product means whatever. Substitute means you can replace, you can substitute Coca-Cola with Pepsi and Pepsi to Coca-Cola. That is called substitute product. Okay, it is also substitute product. Sometimes they are taking some decision with each other because they are in the market. My dear student, what type of the decision? Suppose, and you can also take the example of automobile. Okay, automobile. What is the automobile? In case of automobile oligopoly, you have a automobile company. They have a different, suppose Maruti, Santro. Both company are going to sell in the car in the market. It is also situation of oligopoly, my dear student. In oligopoly, they have a independence to each other, whatever the decision for selling, because independence means here they are going to a competition in the market. The last one is that monopoly. My dear student, monopoly means here the situation is just like reverse. Mono means single, Okay, monospony. In this situation, what you observe, my dear student? It is just a reverse situation. Only one buyer. Okay, only one buyer. Okay, only one buyer, but many seller. Okay, only one buyer, many seller or producer. Okay, my dear student, only one buyer and many producer or seller. For example, defense. In defense goods, there are many seller of defense good, but government is only a single buyer. But government is single buyer. This type of things happen in every place market. Government buy a defense goods from different producers or sellers for defense goods. So in this type of situation is called monospony, when one buyer and many seller and producer. My dear students, I hope already you have to understand. So once again we have to recall what are the different types of market I am going to draw. The first is that you have to prepare market that perfect competition. Okay, perfect competition. Second, imperfect competition. In the broad sense, it is divided in two parts, that is called perfect competition and imperfect competition on the basis of economics theory. So in imperfect competition there are four, that is, the first is monopoly, second is that monopolistic, third is that oligopoly, and the fourth is that monospony. Monospony. So there are four forms of market. Okay, the first is that monopoly, and second is that monopolistic. Okay, monopolistic, okay, and oligopoly. But student, come to recall that imperfect competition, price is going to determined by industry. Okay, price is going to determined by industry and firm is price taker. In the imperfect competition, price is going to determined by firms. Okay, you can also say that industry is not going to decide any type of the price. The first situation is that monopoly. In the monopoly, the only single seller or producer in the market. In monopolistic, there are different seller of the same commodity. They have a differentiate product, they have a close substitutes, example Coca-Cola, Pepsi, etc. In oligopoly, there are only minimum 2 or maximum 10 seller or producer in the market. They are producing different type of goods and services. You can also say that differentiate product. Okay, and there are intense competition. In this example, you can also take a Coca-Cola and Pepsi also. Monospony is just reverse. In this, why it is reverse? Because there are only only one buyer and maximum or many sellers. Okay, so I hope you have already understand there are different forms of the markets in the economics. So you keep remember. Thank you, my dear student.